Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert PDF file into JPG file. So I got a sample PDF file on my desktop. It looks like this. Now we need to go to our browser. In my case it's Google Chrome, and go to a site called Cloud Convert. The address is cloudconvert.com. Now we need to click on the red button, select the file, select our PDF file, wait for it loads. Now we need to convert it to images and JPG. Now we just need to click convert on the right and wait till it's done. So it's processing. Now it's ready to download, so we go to download. As you can see, there's something downloading. Now we are gonna have two files because there were two sites in the PDF. So let's take a look at the first one. As you can see, it's now a picture in a JPG file, and the other one, it's also a picture. So that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.